Look, I'm Takeo. Let's cut the crap. I'm about to show you how to crush it with Roundups in 2026. This thing sold out fast last time. Now it's back. 14 days only. Miss it, and you're screwed. Links down below. Don't be that guy who waits. You'll regret ignoring this. This isn't your average AI garbage. It actually works. Bloggers, marketers, affiliate hustlers, this pumps out legit, fact-checked articles that rake in cash without your sweat. Check it. No fluff. All right, here's how you use it. First step before you write a damn word. Hit My Integrations. Link up your platforms here. Simple. Want Amazon Associate Cash? Plug in your ID, pick your country, and start pushing products. Same deal with AppSumo. Promote tools, grab commissions, no sweat. WordPress themes? Envato Market's got you covered. Connect and monetize. It hooks up with all these platforms. No excuses. You can even dump your articles straight to your WordPress or Ghost CMS site. Yeah, it's that easy. Want in? Connect now. Don't stall. Now, let's get to using it. Click Create New, up top left, on your dashboard. First, pick a product source. Don't overthink it. 2 tabs, Featured Sources and Imported Products. Pick one. Featured Sources pulls product info from Amazon Associate, AppSumo, and Envato Market. Stuff you actually want to promote. Or grab info straight from any URL to spin up an affiliate article. Your call. Today, we're going Featured Sources. I'm making an affiliate article for Amazon.com. Watch this. Select Featured Sources. Done. Now hit Get Product Suggestions. Options pop up. Choose Smart or keep wasting time. Your move. Pick your target audience, state their problem, and toss in some keywords. Simple. You got 3 choices. Grab whichever one suits you. I'm going with Amazon.com for my audience. And Busy Blogger for the target. Done? Hit Next. Now watch. This thing auto-suggests audiences and product sources based on what you put in. Laptop stands, noise-canceling headphones, whatever. Loads of options. I'm picking noise-canceling headphones for my article. Ready? Click Next. Now, decide blog or newsletter. This round, I'm going blog. Want to post in WordPress? Click here. Medium, Ghost, or Roundups. 4 other options. I'm sticking with WordPress. Next up, pick your tone. I'm leaving it default. Choose whether to show prices or hide them. Pick your language. Set the rating. Again, default fine. Hit Advanced if you want to geek out on settings. I'm skipping that and hitting Next. Moving on. Amazon's giving you product info. Pick the products you want in your article. I'm grabbing this one and that one. Actually, I'm going with 5 products total. Pick whatever products you want. Your call. Picking these 5 products. Done. Now, hit Continue. What's the Roundups angle? What's it gonna focus on? You can pick stuff already in your blog. Make it tight. This time, I'm grabbing all of it. Selected every damn item. Now, click Next. Boom. Headlines are ready. Catchy as hell. Use these for your blog. They'll pull clicks. What's next? Time to pick one. This headline's the winner. Selected it. Locked it in. Now, smash that Generate Roundup button. Watch this. The blog writes itself with all the setup we did. While it's cooking, here's the deal. This thing doesn't just spit English blogs, it does other languages too. No, like this. Oops, scratch that. Like this. Or Korean. Yeah, it handles that too. Multiple languages, all generated automatically. Bonus, it throws in images, tables, all that jazz. So yeah, you get blog posts that don't look half-assed. Check the sidebar on the right. It spits out ideas on what to do next. No more staring at blank pages. Lost for the next blog? This sidebar's your backup. Inspiration on demand. We're 22% done here. Keep watching. Why wait? Let's fire up another blog at the same time. Clicking Create New. No time to waste. I'm not sitting around twiddling my thumbs. Let me run through some other killer features. Switched from featured sources. Now, I'm on Import Products. Watch this move. Drop URLs right here. Say you want to plug a product from iHerb. Snag the URL. Paste that iHerb link into Roundups. Pick a keyword. Let's grab the product name. Hit Next. Trying iHerb here. Looks solid. That's the product category. Next. Leave it default. Click Next again. Now pick the product from that page. Select an element from the Roundups blog. Then, Next. Time to choose a title. Pick a catchy headline, then smash Next. Now, wait. Give it a sec. The blog writes itself. Yeah, it's that damn simple. Besides Amazon Associates and AppSumo, it pulls from Envato Market too. First article's done while I was talking. 5 noise-canceling headphones to boost your blogging this season. That headline? Pure clickbait gold. It breaks down features and compares every product, sharp and clear. Based on legit reviews, not some lazy fluff. No edits needed. Seriously. Look, 0 rework required. You can publish this as is. Cover shots and eye candy images generated too. Copy, export from the sidebar, and drop it live. Done. Hit Edit Roundup if you want to tweak this blog post. But honestly, you don't need to touch a thing. It's ready to roll. Set your Amazon Associate ID once, and boom, it autofills everywhere. Every product button links with your ID. No headaches. All that's left? Hit Publish. Seriously, it's that simple. No blog? No problem. Publish straight to Roundups. Click Publish to Roundups, and your article goes live, just like that. Watch this. There it is, published and ready. Look what we just made. A full Roundup blog post. Not bad, huh? It's solid, detailed, accurate, no fluff. And it popped out smooth as hell. No glitches, no drama. Oh, and while I'm talking, the second article just finished cooking. This one's based on iHerb product info. Check it. Take a look. Fish oil thumbnail? Nailed it. Product image? Right where it should be. Reviews and ratings? All locked in tight. Check the table too. Perfect. If you're an affiliate or blogger, this Roundups thing is a no-brainer. I'm not kidding. It's back for a limited run. Grab it now. It's sold out before. If you see this, you still have a shot. Don't sleep on it. 60-day refund if you're not happy. No risk, just results. That's it for this. Time to act. Thanks for watching. Now click below.